Paps, awards night amon subong. Oh, every year ni siya, every year na nga amon awards night. So dapat maporma kami sang mga damo lang nga kay Chusan. So mai-list ako, may ara kami film subong nga ginatawag nga Old Hollywood. Good thing, I'm very fortunate to have a stylist. Medyo mahaling bayad ko siya. Kaya akong stylist. Say hi, Anay. Oo. Do familiar siya, no? Stylist ka. Ako kay gini. Ti ba? Ano naman? Kapte na. Ano?
Hindi ko.
Wala daw balik awat tao.
Naka off, no?
Oo.
Just take it off. Just bring it with you.
So okay na. Good to go na. Te, okay manay?
Executive ka? Hollywood.
Hollywood na nalagas ko. Hollywood, hindi executive. Look good? Okay. Bye-bye.
Hello,
Ah, tata ko. Bye-bye.
Bye, Dad. Hello.
Bye-bye.
Ang kaya ko sunod mo na? Bye.
Okay, ayos na. Tata ko. So, ari na kami subong sa Iloilo Business Park. Okay. So, ari ko sumupag subong si Blue. One of the top sellers dire. So, sino mas gwapo sa amon? Ha, ako gwapa na saya mo.
Oh my God, can I have the flower?
Okay man.
Let's.
Okay man. Daw dibo no? This is when beautiful people gather, including me.
Hi.
Hindi ko malin, tulungan ka mo. Isa lang mo ka parlor ay. Yudi! Yudi! Welcome back.
Yes, I can.
Nice ya, Mel. Ayos ah. Nice ya naman. Sundo ko lang si Boss Andrew. Siya nito iya sa Mega World. Boss Andrew Tan.
You and me are bored of regularities, living all the dreams, playing all the games, and getting high on love. They can chase us down, but we will always win.
Kuya! Para ko! Ako na! Oo.
Guwapo, G. Kanay.
Oo. Siya na yung kapnatsan sa pagkagwapo yan.
Awards na ito.
Close second ako.
We're invincible. Don't you see? We're invincible.
Thank you! Isa pa. Nice. Thank you. Pati lawakan na para tapos na okay.
More.
Okay, thank you.
Going up.
Okay. Paano ni?
Balik mo na karon later ang
Ako luya. Order lang ko anay. Doon ako lang. May kailangan yung mga smuggled goods. Patakan nyo lang si Rodney.
Hi, sir! Ba't ano ta, sir?
Wala pa kasugod ang gabi. Kubog na sila.
Ay, wala pa takot na hubo.
Away pa sila mubog. Pero feisty na sila.
Kumiyara lang mo, sir, na chansa, wala kita problema. Kumiyara lang kung tagaan na chansa, wala kita problema. Kasi naman.
We're invincible.
for Iloilo Business Park.
A few moments later.
Ay, Cats ang show? Ito ko ya? Ano mo dyan yan? Kaki ka lumos? Uy, ang baboy. Sir! Paano mo ginimo na? Ginimkit before tanan. Di ba? Eating for two ba? Kapit bata mo? Kasi kay siya ang serve sa amon sang wine. Mayo, pagit ko niya doon, ito namit niya. Buksan mo na lang ko isa yan. Thank you.
Later on, you will get to know who will win as the best performing team. So I hope you're all excited for that. Any bet who's gonna win? Oh, Miss Phoebe with conviction squad goes to Miss Natalie G. From Team Natalie.
Nakainom na, nakainom.
Our top manager for tonight's event. A round of applause for our IBP top sales manager. Miss Carla. Are you all excited to know the top three? What energy? Are you all excited? Yes! Conquering the third spot for this year's IPP's best seller is a horse to be reckoned with. A man of conviction and a marketing expert online. Throughout the years of working for IPP, he remains steadfast, a survivor, and someone who leaves no stone unturned. Conquering the third spot is no other than
Drum roll.
Mr. Ernest Egan Haganin. Wow, Sir Ernest looks very interesting for tonight. Alright, so of course, our top three deserves to give an inspired message to everyone for So Sir Ernest is gonna give a message, a short message.
Thank you, IBP. Thank you, Ma'am Jen, and to my team, everyone around here, and of course, Ma'am Carla, my manager. Well, I survived because of one thing, no? Tenacity. May ups and downs, pero may budlay na yan. Hindi na matulayan, budlayan. Hindi ba nakadamot kung hindi mabudlay? Hindi ba? So, it's been a pleasure, and I hope it will continue on. So I'm happy to be with MegaWorld in the Business Park, and thank you very much for recognizing me.
Alright, Sir Ernest, before you go back to your seat, I think someone would like to congratulate you also.
Doing so well right now, and thank God for that. Keep up the good work. Don't forget, keep your foot on the ground, and always give thanks to God for everything that He has given us. So enjoy your night, and congratulations.
Alright, that's Miss Jill. Sir. So once again, Sir Ernest, congratulations for bagging the top 3 spot. Alright, moving on.
Hard work,
Yes, hard work.
perseverance.
So here are your top 10 IBP sellers for this year's Awards Night 2017. A big hand of applause. Round of applause.
Alright, next up.
Okay, guys, gusto ko ulit pasalamatan si Ma'am Jen. Ma'am Jen,
Hi! You're welcome anytime.
thank you very much sa pag-recognize sa hard work kag sa pantanan na nga. Basta may bonus.
Ano?
Wala. Sorry.